Hi and welcome. In today's video I'm gonna show you how can you set up your Harman Kardon Citation 300 speaker. Let's get started. At first we have to choose our language. As you can see, for now will be English. Now we are setting with Android. As you can see, we have to download Google Home app. So we have to go to Play Store. In search tab we have to search Google Home and install it. If we have installed it, we have to click open and create new home. Our home nickname will be HardReset. Now we have to click next. Now we can skip it because it will ask us for our address. Continue without address. Now our app is looking for devices. As you can see, HK Citation 300. We have to click on it and click next. Now we have to choose our language. For us it will be English United States and click next. As you can see, we're now connected. We have to click yes. Now we have to click no thanks. Now we have to choose our device location. We have to add a custom room and enter our custom room. Our will be hard reset and click continue. Now we have to connect to our Wi-Fi network and use saved password. Now we have to click OK and our speaker is now connecting to Wi-Fi. As you can see, HK Citation 300 set up successfully. Now I have to click this button over there. And now we are connected and set up. Now we can use our Google Assistant. We have to click not now. Scroll down, no thanks. Click next. Click next. Not now. Click not now. And click no thanks. Now we have to click continue. And our speaker is ready to go.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Now our speaker told us that it can use Google Assistant, but we have to, if we want finish setup, we don't have to use it. That is for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Hope it helps. Goodbye.